Christmas, let the horror fill your heart. You hear footsteps, that's not Santa, it's a jolly clown named Art. He's a Miles County legend, with a smile that brings a chill, on a journey to outdo himself and top his latest kill.